Hi students of class 1. Today we are going to start a new chapter number 2, uses of a computer. Now in this chapter we are going to learn what a computer can do for us, and we will list some of the places where we can see the use of computer. So everyone, please get ready with the book, page number 15, and take a pencil in your hand and let us start the class. Now in the first page there is one get going. Let us do that. There are a list of names given in the box. You have to identify the pictures and write the names. Let us start. What are the names given? Hospital, vegetable store, classroom, restaurant, supermarket. Now the first picture is classroom. Classroom. Next, restaurant. Restaurant. This one. Hospital. 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 Fourth one, supermarket. Supermarket. Vegetable store. Fifth one, vegetable store. Repeating it once again. Classroom, restaurant, hospital, supermarket and vegetable store. Everyone please turn the page and write the proper spellings of this get going. Page number 16. In the last chapter already we have learned that the computer is a smart machine because it can do many things. So it is called a smart machine. Now what are the uses of computer? Let us learn. It is used to watch movies, play games, write letters and do many other things. Other than watching movie, playing games, writing letters, many other things can be done using the computer. Let us learn what are those things. Now first is playing games. We can play games like cricket, chess, etc. on the computer. Writing. You can send email to your friend, type letters and stories using a computer. You can write on the computer using a keyboard by pressing its keys. This is called typing. Whenever you are using the keyboard to write something on the computer, it is called typing. It is called typing. Solving sums. You can use a computer for calculating and solving sums quickly. Using the computer, we can calculate and solve sums very quickly. Watch movies. We can watch cartoons on the computer. Using the computer, we can watch different cartoon shows. Please turn the page, page number 17. Listening to music. We can listen to music using the computer. We can listen to music using the computer. Drawing. We can use the mouse to draw and color pictures on the monitor. On the computer, we can use the mouse to draw and color pictures on the computer. Research. We can search for information for our homework and projects. We can search for information for our homework and projects. For booking tickets, we can use computers to book tickets for movies, trains and flights. We can use computers to book tickets for movies, trains and flights. For launching and controlling satellite. Whenever we are launching any satellite, we can launch it and control it using the computer. To forecast weather. Using the computer, we can forecast the weather of our locality. We can forecast the weather of our locality using the computer. Please turn the page. It is also used for storing data, making movies, cartoons, etc. So using the computer, we can store data, we can make movies, we can make cartoons using the computer. Now, repeating the topic once again, uses of computer. We can play games using the computer. We can write emails, letters, stories using the computer. When we are using the keyboard and writing something on the computer, that is known as typing. Solving sums. Using the computer, we can do the calculation and solve sums very quickly. We can watch cartoons on a computer. We can listen to music using the computer. We can draw pictures and color pictures on the computer. We can search for information for our homework and projects, for ticket booking for movies, trains and flights. We can use the computer. For launching and controlling satellite, we use the computer. For weather forecasting, we use the computer. And computer is also used for storing data, making movies and cartoons. Now let us do this flash test. Tick on the activities which can be done on the computer. Listen to music? Yes. Cook food? No. Draw pictures? Yes. Run? No. Tick on the activities which can be done on the computer. Listen to music? Yes. Draw pictures? Yes. Cook food? No. Run? No. Here we end today's CW work. So today's CW work is explanation of the pages 15, 16, 17 and 18. Homework will be to read these 4 pages line by line as I have done it in the classwork. So everyone, please study at home, and if you have any query, please write in the Telegram group. Bye bye. Have a nice day.